Time to cook. Olive oil 1 cup. Cumin seed 1 spoon. Green cardamom, cinnamon stick 1, cardamom 2, star anise 1. Fry 1 minutes. Ginger, garlic paste 5 spoons. Mutton 1 kilogram. Fry on medium flame until color change. Tomato paste 2 cup. Fry 8 minutes. Now add masala. Chili powder 1 spoon. Turmeric powder 1 spoon. Rosted cumin powder 1 spoon. Nutmeg powder 1 teaspoon. Salt as required. Coconut powder 1/2 cup. Fry on medium flame 5 minutes. Now add water 1 glass, as required. Add fried onion 1/2 cup. Sprinkle black pepper 1 spoon. Cover and cook on low flame 10 minutes. Ready to serve. Time to eat.